How to fix reset face ID not working on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on face ID and passcode. Now here enter phone passcode. Now here you will see setup face ID. So click on face setup face ID. So if it not click, so go back to settings. Now here click on security and privacy and security. So click on privacy and security. Now here scroll down to end. Click on device protection. So make sure turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to settings. Now here and again go to face ID and passcode. Enter phone passcode and click on setup face ID. You will see. So get start show your face. So your process is done. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix reset face ID not working on iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.